What next in the Bank Nifty? The index has reached all-time high, ATH, of 45,655.50 level. We can expect a small correction in the market for a while. You can see in the last week how fast it has moved upward. At the moment we do not have any key levels to consider. For this, if you would have observed in time frame, one-day candle, you can see a gap. We can consider this as a key level, because probably the price comes to fill that gap. After that, it might sustain at this level, then it will take the direction depending on its breakdown or retest at this key level. If the price breaks down this level, we can expect until the support level. You can see the high volume near this level, 44,000. If the price takes retest at 44850, the price will create a new all-time high, ATH. What if the price moves upward without filling the gap? Observe the candle momentum. If it seems good, it will move further.